Sit your ass down, it's Katie's couch.
Sit your ass down, it's time for Katie's couch. Sit your ass down, it's time for Katie's couch. Sit your ass down, it's time for Katie's couch. Sit your ass down, it's time for Katie's couch.
Hey, Katie, how do I tell if someone's lying?
Some people have like a nervous twitch that really gives it away, so keep your eye out for that. But when in doubt, just assume everyone's lying. I mean, come on, they probably are. Join in.
Hey, Katie, I'm a football coach. You gotta tell me, in what situation do I run a full house backfield, V-flare, 929 slant, X go?
I'm so happy I'm a girl. You boys are into so much nonsense.
Katie, what is the best pickup line you actually think work?
Pickup lines don't work. You know what does? Having a lot of money and a nice car that you can loan to the chick. Preferably a Mercedes or something else from Germany. Yeah, I know. The truth hurts. Enough, enough, enough. Jeez, can't we get back to something that involves me?
If you've got it, watch it. If you don't, call your TV provider to get HDNet today.